Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup Gmail emails using Google Takeout and scheduling, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Gmail account. Open the Google Apps menu in the upper right corner. Select Account from the drop-down options. In the left sidebar, click on Data and Personalization. Scroll down to the Download, Delete, or Make a Plan for your data section. Click on Download your data. You will be redirected to Google Takeout. Here, you'll see a list of Google services. Deselect all by clicking on Deselect all. Scroll down and find Mail. Check the box next to Mail. Click on the All Mail Data Included button. You can choose to include all messages or specific labels. Once you've made your selection, click OK. Scroll to the bottom of the page and click Next Step. Choose your preferred file type, such as .zip or .tgz. Decide on the archive size limit. For larger backups, select a size that suits your needs. Choose your delivery method, via email or added to a cloud service. To schedule regular backups, return to Data and Personalization. Look for the Create a Plan option. Click on it to set up a recurring schedule. Select how often you want backups to occur, from monthly to yearly. Choose a start date and time for your backups. Complete the form, then click Create Plan. Review your settings and make any necessary adjustments. Once satisfied, click Confirm. You'll receive an email notification when your backup is ready. To retrieve your emails, follow the download link in the email. Extract the downloaded files to access your emails. Ensure your backups are secure and stored properly. Regularly check your backups to verify their completeness. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.